Judge flags unusual DOJ tactics in Trump-ordered indictment of James Comey. During a Wednesday hearing, a federal magistrate judge sharply criticized the Justice Department for what he called an indict first, investigate second approach in the case against former FBI Director James Comey. The judge, William Fitzpatrick, questioned how prosecutors have managed evidence, especially after a Trump-ordered indictment that accuses Comey of lying to Congress about the 2020 Russia investigation. The indictment originated after President Donald Trump pressed Attorney General Pam Bondi to pursue immediate prosecutions of his political foes and to install his personal attorney, Lindsay Halligan, in a senior Virginia DOJ role. Halligan, seated at the DOJ table, personally secured the indictment and presented it to the grand jury without the support of career prosecutors, a move that has drawn intense scrutiny. Comey sat quietly with his legal team while the hearing proceeded, a stark contrast to the packed courtroom during his earlier arraignment. Judge Fitzpatrick's concerns centered on 4 search warrants executed against Daniel Richman, a close associate and former lawyer to Comey, in 2019-2020. The seized materials may contain privileged attorney-client communications that Comey's defense has not yet reviewed. Fitzpatrick ordered all seized documents to be handed over to Comey's lawyers by the end of Thursday and demanded that the DOJ provide every grand jury transcript related to the indictment. He warned that using privileged material could jeopardize the entire case. Assistant U.S. Attorney Tyler Lemons, assigned from North Carolina to aid Halligan, said investigators had paused their review of the materials after discovering potentially privileged content, keeping the files isolated on a desk in FBI headquarters until the court decides. The magistrate stressed that prosecutors may not examine the evidence until any privilege claims are resolved, though they may continue to file evidence they deem non-privileged, albeit at their own risk. Other judges are also scrutinizing the case. U.S. District Judge Cameron Curry has asked for transcripts of Halligan's grand jury appearance to assess whether her appointment was lawful, while Judge Michael Nachmanoff, slated to oversee a possible early January trial, is pushing for a swift schedule. Comey's legal team, including former federal prosecutor Patrick Fitzgerald, says they will adhere to the accelerated timeline despite the massive volume of classified material they still cannot review because of clearance delays.